Yo, what's up guys? We are back at it again here at Windrock Bike Park. Unbelievably warm today. This is absolutely incredible. Today is literally Saturday after Christmas. Let's go get on the bike. Let's get up. It's now 10 a.m. and last I checked the temperature was like close to 60 degrees already. So let's go get on the bike and have some fun today. Yippee, yippee, yippee. I'll get my foot in place. Oh, I did.
Up.
I sent it to the moon.
You want to do upper trail one?
No, but I will do it behind you all.
I'll take my goggles off and do it.
Yeah, that might
These
be.
are tinted. It's the only reason I hit that.
Yeah, I got 2-3 jumps in and I was blind.
It wasn't really bad for me, I guess.
I know why I'm diving on the jumps now.
Why?
I'm hitting the brakes.
Oh, before?
Yeah, like I just did it on that one. It's like
on takeoff or before the jump?
like right before the takeoff. So it's causing me to like, I'm nose diving before I'm taking off.
Yeah,
I didn't on the upper section and just kind of sent
And
everything.
then you're getting pulled forward.
Yes. I need to stop being scared and be a man. Oh shoot, oh gosh, I'm off the trail. Making my own lines. Shoot.
Well, it's the end of Talladega. The first part's not bad.
Yeah.
It's like until you get to Top Gun, and then just don't give a fuck.
Right.
Dude, we didn't go right. We went left.
Well, and when you went left, there's like a ditch where the water like goes out. I got pushed into that ditch and couldn't get out of it. Like,
Oh, yeah. Yeah, there's areas on that where like if you get sucked in.
yeah, I was just sucked in. There was no getting out of it. Like,
How's lower? The last time I rode it, it was dusty in one corner, like down right corner.
It's riding well.
yeah, you ask him. 'Cause I mean, I ride it with him, but I don't ever judge it. I just hold on tight and.
Is it better than usual? Not as dusty?
Yeah, I would say so.
I think when we took it earlier, that's the best time I've ridden it probably this year.
Sick. 'Cause
All the other times it's been wet and slick and scary.
the ravine?
Yeah.
No. You ready?
Yep.
Did you want to go that way?
No, I don't like that way.
It's not fun if you're not hitting it.
Yeah, I'm not hitting any of that. I don't even want to, really. Not just in this moment, but just in general. Yoo! Nice. Brah! Woohoo! Most of us made it out safely.
Well, all of us made it out safely.
Oh, that's true.
I've broken the thing yet.
Your butt. You broke your butt. You broke your butt skin at least.
Still one piece.
You broke the butt skin.
Oh, cracked yet.
Yo guys, we're finishing up another day here at Windrock Bike Park. Thank you for joining me on this video, and I'm gonna have a lot more videos like this out there where it's just me and you hanging out and less about me trying to sell you on something and more about you just hanging out with me. If you don't want to hang out, just skip to the next video, make it one of mine. Anyway, thank you for joining. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I'll see you on the next trail.